Snapchat Solar System feature lets you see how you and your friends interact in fun way. So in this guide, I'll show you how to check a friend's solar system and explore their connections. So first, you need to understand the friend solar systems on Snapchat. So go ahead, open Snapchat on your iPhone or Android devices. Then tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll need a Snapchat Plus subscription to find the friend solar system. If you have one, you will see Snapchat Plus icon under your profile name. Tap on that and scroll down and tap on Solar System to enable it. Snapchat's official page explains how friend solar system work. You'll see planets, each representing a friend. One planet represents you and the others are your friends. The closer a friend's planet is to the sun, the closer you are to that friend on their best friends list. Scroll through your planets to see your place in your friends list. On a friend's profile, you can tap on the BFF tag and it shows your planet. If you're on Mercury, the first planet, you're their number one best friend. And if you're on Mars, the fourth planet, you're their fourth best friend. You can check this for all of your best friends, the top 8 people you interact with most on Snapchat. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.